Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So let's talk about something very important about LinkedIn business page on LinkedIn. So you can see my page right here. So you need to go to analytics. Okay, then go downside. You can see this competitor thing. Okay, so here what I'm going to tell you is you can take care of how your competitors posts are doing well or not, if they are better than you. So you can just take a look on these posts, and then based on that you can follow maybe some same kind of content, or maybe you can try to make your company's content better. If I talk about, I'm in marketing, so I used to run digital marketing agency named Scale Up Marketing Solutions, that you can see right here. So my competitor will be companies like, if I talk about Monk Entertainment, then Marketing Mania, then it's Marketing Mind, and there are a lot many companies whoever is used to provide, like whoever is providing these sort of services on digital marketing services. So it will be my competitor. Okay, so here you can see, you can just need to look into competitor highlight, click there. From there you can see this, how many new followers they have gained, and how many new followers we have gained. So you can see it right here. So these are my competitors that I have said, and it's like they already have a good follow base, but we are new. It's been 2 years and we have around 3000 some followers on our LinkedIn page. So you need to focus on all those competitor whom you think they are potential like competitor, and whom you think that they are doing well in the market. So based on their, it's not like I am having only 3000 followers and they are having lakhs of or million of followers. So I am comparing my growth with their, like with their growth. It should be, my focus should be, like you can see here, seventh number, Skill of Marketing Solutions. So my arrow is downside, so I need to make sure that this won't go downside. I need to send invitations on LinkedIn. I need to increase the number of posts on a daily basis, so that my total posts will go up. You can see it here. Fifth number, Scale Up Marketing Solution, 400% is up. That is, we had a few months when we didn't post anything, because we had to make a lot of change in logo and all these representation. So now as we are again on the line to start creating content, so you can see it right here. Okay, even in total engagement metrics you can see. Yeah, so I was saying that you need to take care of your new follower matrix. That should be always green symbol up, and total post also you should increase the number of posts. If that arrow is going downside, you can start posting something like blogs, or maybe polling, quizzing to engage with the audience. And also you can see the total engagement, it's also increasing, because since last 2 months we were not posting anything, so we had zero engagement. And now as we have started posting something, so now our engagement, you can see it's going up. Okay, so for Marketing Mind, their engagement is going down based on their last, like previous 30 days. So, and same for Meadow Marketing, it's going upside. So you can see the increment in engagement. And Marketing Espresso, they are also going downside. For Digital Marketing, it's also going downside. But for us, that is Scale Up Marketing Solutions, it's going upside 1700%, because we were not posting anything. So you need to take care of these basic thing. And trust me, if you are taking care of analytics for around 1 to 3 months through the competitor list of LinkedIn page, so what you need to do, just go to, like here you can see analytics downside. If you won't be if you have not added any competitor, so it will be like add your competitor, something like this option. So you need to click there, and you can start like if I added this, you can see this added pen here. So if I added this, so I can just write something like marketing, then I can see the companies here. Okay, so if I talk about marketing.com, I can also add them, and we can add up to 10 competitor on LinkedIn page. And now we have got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. We have got only 8, so let's add a few more. Okay, let's also add Monk Entertainment. Okay, and then let's add one more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 9. It is not showing the option. Okay, 9 competitors we can add, as 10th will be our company's page. So we can compare 9 competitors with our page. So whether for, if I talk about marketing mind and my company which is doing well, monk entertainment, then my company which is doing well. So yeah, we can do this, and trust me, just do this. And this is just a small step that you will be taking, but trust me, it will help you to encourage to come up with some better ideas to take care of your competitor. If I talk about you can see here trending competitor post. Okay, from there I can get some idea. If I click there, so you can see no one in Delhi says, who are you smoking, what are you smoking, bro? Okay, your eyes are fine. So this is a good build, as we know about the Delhi condition. So they have covered a good post there. So yeah, I can also get some idea out of it, and I can also make some posts related to this. So that would be truly great. Okay, and if I talk about other, so let's see. Again, here you can see the engagement is trending. So yeah, whatever posts are trending, so they will be showing it here. And if any of our post is going on trend, so they will be showing our content on somebody who has added us as a competitor. So this is just a small step, but trust me, if you are doing this, it will encourage you to come up with better post, better changes, to do something that will help you improving your analytics. So just do this. And yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.